How to make a TikTok video. I'm going to explain this in 3 steps. Let's go. First, you're going to need your niche. Your niche is the topic that you're going to pick to speak to your audience or give value to your audience. The second step is attention. You need to know how to get your viewers' attention. There's multiple ways you can do this. It can be by music, it can be by good storytelling, it can be by just being very funny or just being yourself. But when making a TikTok video, you need to get the viewer's attention. So there are many ways you can get a viewer's attention. You can get a viewer's attention just by being yourself. And I advise you to just be yourself in videos. Be yourself, because in the end, that's what's going to really make you succeed in making video content on TikTok or on social media in general. One good way to get a viewer's attention is music, right? In a TikTok video, you always hear the music. If the music sounds good, then the viewer will watch the video multiple times because to them, the music is catchy, right? And that's why a lot of music goes viral on TikTok, because people hear a song or a sound and like, wow, this is so catchy, and they listen to it again and again and again. And that's why a lot of music has such virality on TikTok. Another way you can catch the viewer's attention is looking different. If you're a cosplayer, you have a good chance to be successful on TikTok if you're very good at cosplaying, because naturally you pop up on a screen, they're like, oh wow, the viewer's like, oh wow, look at this person, look how their paint is painted on their face, or how good this cosplay is compared to the character that they're cosplaying, you know? So looking different on TikTok matters. You know, things that look different go viral because it looks different and it's interesting, and usually the viewer finishes the video. Another good way to catch the viewer's attention is a good background story in your video. If you can tell a good story in your video, meaning telling about yourself, you know, why you make videos, or maybe you're promoting your music, maybe there's a business that you have. A lot of TikTokers are successful with telling people about their business, or saying, you know, I just started my business, guys, I need help, you know, please like the video, this or that, and the video goes viral and it does well, and you know what, it changes their whole business and their business starts doing well and everything else, right? So good storytelling is a way to grab the viewer's attention and liking the video and watching the video through. Alright, so we're going to move now to step 3, which is simplifying. You must simplify your TikTok video. TikTok is not YouTube. TikTok is not IGTV. Alright? TikTok is a video platform where you watch short videos. So you must simplify your video into a short video. If you want to make a movie on TikTok, you better make that movie 1 minute. And that means it has to be like a movie in 1 minute. It has to feel like a movie in 1 minute. Or make the video 15 seconds, but make sure you executed that video well. By simplifying it, where it's not too boring, where you're not, you know, making the viewer feel like, okay, what's going on? This is dragging. It can't drag. It just gotta go, 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 go. You know, it has to be done and executed very well. But that is by simplifying it. If you can simplify your video, make it simple, and you have a good idea, and you execute it correctly, then your video will most likely do well. When you add step 1, which is your niche, step 2, which is getting the viewer's attention, and simplifying all of that into one video, you can have a successful TikTok video. And if you stay with that formula, you'll be able to grow your account to whatever you want to grow to. It doesn't matter. You just got to stay consistent also. And that's another thing, actually. Consistency. After all those steps of making a TikTok video, you must be consistent. Consistency, I would say, is actually the most important secret step of TikTok. Because most people on TikTok are actually not consistent. Because after they make a successful video and their account gets successful, you know, once a video doesn't do as well, they say, oh, I'm shadow banned. I'll tell you right now, shadow ban is a myth. Shadow ban doesn't exist. You know, when you're shadow banned, you will have 0 views if you're shadow banned. But shadow ban doesn't exist. You dictate your account. Your account is your account. Your account doesn't die unless you stop. Alright? That's all. You got to keep that energy. Keep that same energy from the beginning until however long you want to make videos. You know, if you're doing this want to do this long term, you got to stay consistent and you got to keep moving forward. TikTok is like any other video platform, and you got to take it seriously if you want to be successful in it. It's not a game. Alright? But that is all I gotta say. These are the ways where you can create a successful TikTok video. If you have any comments and you want to know anything else, just comment below and I'll respond to the video. Alright? Have an amazing day. Have an amazing night. Have an amazing everything. Wish you the best. Peace.